Welcome to the future of learning. Welcome to Academy of Engineers. In a world driven by data, algorithms, and innovation, there's one skill that defines the future: artificial intelligence. At Academy of Engineers, we don't just teach AI and machine learning, we prepare you to master it. Whether you're a beginner curious about Python or a tech enthusiast diving deep into neural networks, we've got you covered. From hands-on tutorials to real-world projects, we simplify the toughest concepts with clarity and purpose, explore powerful modules like supervised and unsupervised learning, deep learning with TensorFlow and PyTorch, natural language processing, AI for robotics, healthcare, and more. Learn from industry experts, IITians, and passionate engineers who make learning fun and future-ready. Build projects, solve real-world problems, and stand out in this data-driven era. Our learners don't just learn, they lead, innovate, and inspire. Join the revolution. Learn AI and machine learning with Academy of Engineers, where engineers become innovators. Subscribe now. Level up your future.